Investor Secrets: Navigating the Pre-Seed to Unicorn Ecosystem. Free pitch deck and startup funding masterclass. Every unicorn startup you've heard of, from Airbnb to Stripe, started the same way, with a pitch deck, a vision, and a lot of rejection. But what separates the ones that make it big from the thousands that fail? In this masterclass, we'll walk you through the full journey, from pre-seed to unicorn, and give you insider tips on how to build the perfect pitch deck that gets you funded. You'll also get access to a free course on pitch deck creation, slide by slide. No more guessing. Let's get started. Creating a winning pitch deck. Let's be real. Your pitch deck is your golden ticket to that next investor meeting. But most entrepreneurs mess it up. Here's what your pitch deck must include. Vision slide. Present your mission in one bold, emotional sentence. What world are you building? Problem slide. Highlight the real, painful, and measurable problem you're solving. Solution slide. Explain your product or service clearly and visually and how it solves the problem better than anything else. Market size and target audience. Show the TAM, SAM, and SOM. Break down your customer base by geography, niche, or need. Competitive landscape. Create a visual matrix. Show where you win. Features, price, tech, experience. Business model slide. How do you make money? Subscriptions, freemium, B2B sales. Go-to-market strategy. Tell investors how you'll acquire customers. SEO, ads, partnerships, virality. Team slide. Highlight your founding team's experience, past wins, and technical know-how. Financial slide. Current revenue, burn rate, CAC versus LTV, projections. Traction slide. Showcase growth metrics, testimonials, client logos, or media coverage. This is exactly what you'll learn step by step in our free course, Creating a Pitch Deck for Investors. The link is in the description.